Welcome to this episode. Piotr Fisner is always here, Peter if you prefer. Um, if if you're wondering why we're doing Inte.Team, why it matters, why we building book repair online software, and then separated business, completely separated business. Actually, I never showed you. I think the theme. It is toxic. It has to be toxic. It's showing how we've poisoned our world. So you see, so it is here. Let us make it smaller. So you're saving up in your e-wallets, yes? And before we will go to any of those details, I would like to tell you just one thing. If we have, let's say, 1 million members at Inte.Team, yes, and each member won't pay more than £10 per month, and we will have only £1 profit per each of those members, yes, we can call them in any way member, yes, because that's integrity team. So we are the team which integrates. So we get a £1 profit per each member. As you see, it's a £1 million per month to spend. Now you might be wondering, why do we need such amount? Yes, why we need to crowdfund something so big, so huge that we need £1 million per month? Well, it's a good question, and I would like to ask you, do you feel that all the repairs we do are the way it's supposed to be, or we're, let's say, missing something? Because in my humble opinion, we do miss something, and I can explain you the way I understand it. You might be seeing it in a bit different way, okay? So what it is for me in person, I would like to have all the spare parts available, yes? And we've got no dot here to be true. Sorry for interruption. Now let's go back. So if we don't have all the parts necessary, and if the parts are married, like Blu-ray is married to the motherboard, yes, and then this chip will be faulty and you are unable to get this chip, you will never have this console working again the same way you would want it, the way you would want it originally, I mean. So you need to say to customer, either don't use Blu-ray anymore, or you need to replace the motherboard and the Blu-ray, yes, or at least that chip, and so on and so forth. If you're doing it, you know what I mean. So I think that's unfair treatment from those big companies. The same is with laptops, and you name it, probably it's there anyway. So we don't have parts, yes, and then they are married. We don't have schematics, we don't have board view, so we are treated poorly. And as an end customer, we are as well, yes, and we're buying these devices and we're using these devices, so we are the clients as well. So if we look from the client's point of view, we need to pay more for the repairs if we could pay less. So that's again unfair. So we clients and we repair shops, we should look at this as a huge problem. As we probably know, yes, at least most of us should know, Louis Rossmann is doing right to repair actions, and that's a kudos to him, in my humble opinion, really kudos to him. But we should do more. We should do more, and why not do it in the UK? Well, first foremost, we can do it, yes, and if we integrate, we will have this £1 million per year. So what we will do with this £1 million per month? Well, the plan is simple. First, we don't have to go to the 1 million members before we will start it, yes, but that's the goal, the first goal, I mean. So when we have £1 million, we can go to Microsoft and we can say to them, look, guys, I don't know if you are aware about us, or you are. So what we are planning to do is either we planning to get an agreement with you, Or we will go to Sony and we will talk to the PlayStation team, and we will have a deal with them. So it's up to you if you want to talk to us or you don't want to talk to us, or you want to get a deal with us or you don't want to get the deal with us. But that's what that's what we're going to do. Yes, and we're stating that from the first day of Inte.Team opening. That either you give us all the schematics, board views, parts, and say us how to marry again new chip, yes, to the motherboard, and you give us all those chips available to buy, so that we can fix your consoles and your equipment, yes. Or we go to the competition and we give them an offer, and if they say no, we spend this £1 million per month to develop our own equipment, which will be fixable. So it's up to you now, because we've got these people who sign up to us and they want fixable devices. They want open source devices. They want schematics. They want everything because they want to pay cheaper for the repairs, make it more affordable, spend less on this equipment. They don't want to buy every year new model because that's what you think is the best for them. No, that's not the best for them. The best for them is to spend once every 5 years, if possible, yes, or even less frequent than that. So that's the plan, yes. And then we repair shops, we will have more work because this stuff will be faulty, especially when there are mechanical faults, yes. Come on, how to teach people to not destroy HDMI ports, yes. So let's face it, it will be fixable, so we will have more work. I mean more work, we will have just work, yes. So in that case, we as a repair shops were winning, customers are winning. Then we can use this to go to other stuff, yes. We can do laptops, we can do computers, we can do phones, we can do all other things, which then we can repair, yes. We won't stop on electronics. Why we would stop only on electronics, yes? Of course we will go to other aspects as well. With that money, we can think of changing this world into a better place. We can create. I'll skip talking for now. I'll go through the slides, and I won't talk. I will just show you, and you can pause on each so that you can read it through. I can read only this for you, and then membership club. You know about e-commerce store where all the repair shops can have their own stock. E-wallet, not only because we want to buy. Through the recycling of an e-waste, we want to buy faulty equipment from insurance companies and have our own insurance in the future, and then make it available in our e-commerce. Yes, so more of it will be explained later. Now it's okay if you know as much as you know. That's more than enough. E-wallet for saving, so people are able to save in their e-wallet. Electronics and IT repairs, you know about it. An affiliate program, so if you invite your friends and family, it's just one tier, not like MLM multi-level, it's just one tier of affiliate program. So then you can pay less for the repairs or for the purchases, yes, no problem. Leadership program, we've got a dojo, already it's coded, and more courses will be later. But for now it's marketing course, the first course in the dojo. And crowdfunding driven, as you see, yes. So nobody can stop. Who can stop us? Come on. They can kill us, but they can't kill the idea. So if we won't win, there will be somebody else who will do it anyway. And into the future, so we can have our own telecom company called Inte.Team. Yes. Again, no dot. Should be dot here. Dot. And so that's what I see. That's what I see. And wouldn't be nice, you run your own business, you've got a contract with Inte.Team, all the services local, if customers are seen, so your service is seen as well. If you prefer, you can have our software, which is independent, and then you can use your own private website and private booking only through that. But on top of that, you are registered at Inte.Team, and you can have as well traffic from customers from Inte.Team, which we go for 1 million of members, and hope you will be one of them as well. Yes, so that's why Inte.Team matters. So let's skip, now I will skip this talking as I promised. Okay, so if you watched, you watched. If you read, you read. But that's the pretty much plan, and far more than that. But I don't want to confuse anyone. That's everything what need to be known. There's nothing super extra with that. That's it, you know, that's pretty much it. Either we will make this world a better place, or companies will make sure we will have all the equipment rented rather than owned, and we will be living in the world which we don't like. Yes, so up to us to make it better. So that's why we're creating Inte.Team. We come from different backgrounds, from developers, from marketing people, strategy people, and so on. So we know what we're doing, yes, and it's just a matter of integrity, literally, Inte.Team, Integrity Team Club. So we need to integrate. We need to start doing actions by just being together. You see what is the power of being together. We can make £1 million to spend every month on making this world a better place, just by integrity, just by crowdfunding. So if you see this as a huge opportunity for us, look forward to the next video and another video and another video, and in 3-4 months we will try to launch this business as a beta version. Yes, so that everyone can test it. Keep in mind we've got Inte.Team app, and it's there. You know, it's there. It's you can go to this dom at .inte.team.ovh. You can read. It's not finished yet. Yes, it's not finished yet. We're on it. You can see time is going. So the more time is going, more poison is going to the world. Yes, so it is, you know, it is time to just literally do it now. Yes, contacts are as well here. It's my computer, by the way, so if it's off, it's off. That's mean that's mean that the website is as well off. Yes, and here I will show you the last part. I don't know if my friend have changed, because there is like many people coding it. Okay, so they haven't changed it. That's admin section, so we're not after the admin, we're after the member. Yes, so we already have stuff done. Your e-wallet, affiliate and partnership, user profile. You've got even follow, so you can follow someone and you can see this person, let's say as a friend, like on Facebook. Yes, you've got, are you an extrovert or more, or an introvert? Yes. If you're neither nor, you can leave extrovert, that's okay. And then you've got a billing address here as well. So where are the addresses? Here are the addresses. And here you've got Place ID, Google Place ID. So if the driver never can get to you properly because it's a problem with the address, you know, like Google showing different address, you can provide it here as a Google Place ID, and then we can pass it on to the drivers. So when they will be coming to you, they will be able to go to the right place and don't delay your deliveries. Yes, you can search all the users and friend them, like on Facebook, the same way. You can add more addresses, like my son's, yes, or my daughter's, or the one in Belgium, for instance. You can add your devices, because we need to verify what devices do you have, so then when you will be sending them, you don't need to send any paperwork. Yes. And then we will try always, whatever you've got devices, we will try always to keep those in stock at a later stage when we will have funds, so that when anything goes wrong with your device, we can immediately send you a good one. Yes, so that's why we need those details. Then membership, you just pick up your membership. That's a free plan for now. FAQ is working, support is working. These are accordions, these are nice. Sorry for skipping that much. These are accordions with a title, so it's nothing too fancy here. Support, you can create a ticket, yes, create a ticket, you put the priority and so on. Timeline, so what was happening in your account since the last login or since the last X time. E-wallet, so you can log into your e-wallet, you can see how much. It's not finished yet, but you can see your current e-wallet, manual deposits, from others via affiliate program, emergency balance goal, which you can set up, by the way, and my savings total goal, yes. So that's you can set up as well, yes. So that it is manual deposits, transactions history, e-wallet settings, so that those you can set up over there. Affiliate, you can be in the affiliate, you can just copy paste your URL, invite someone to join you. Invited my me, self-explanatory. Affiliate settings, so those settings. Now let's explain how to invite. Partnership, team chat, so you can chat with other people, yes, as well. Okay, it's not finished yet, and so that's what it is. Purchase history, so whatever you purchase from us, it's here. You've got a wish list as well. What would you like to be seen in our shop? Shop is working as well. Dojo is working as well. It's just created. So you see all the steps are, if you are a partner with us, you got all the all the steps how to invite properly, basics, introduction, everything, level, advanced. Yes, then for introverts, which can be used for extroverts as well, but that's on top of that for those introverts who would like to make it as a business as well. So everything is explained. Yeah, here is a shop, and let's finish on the shop. So you can see that you can browse products. Yes, for now it's just the dummy products, so that's it. You don't know if you can click. I don't remember if it was done. Yeah, that was done. So it's not finished yet, but it's HTML, just HTML. So that's it, you know. It's a lot of to be done, but we're getting there. We're getting there. It's not a dream anymore. It's the reality, and it's up to us to make it possible. As I said, about 3 months of coding, and we will be in the beta. Hopefully, you can help us by joining either at the Book Repair online app or by the Inte.Team, yes. Or by the member or by the repair center, you know, that either or, all will matter, because we need this 1 million people as we originally stated here. Yes, that's the goal. That's the goal, to make this world a better place. So that's what I'm wishing you all, and that's what I see us as a future. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Here was Peter, so Piotr Fisner, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.